am so excited to share the new Rizos Curls Hairscription Oil Kit. My inspiration for this oil kit was all of the different natural remedies that I know that come from oils, from plants, and the essential oils in these 3 oils really have helped me in so many different ways, whether it's with scalp flakiness and itching, whether it's like itching and dryness on my skin, whether it's on my face, on my ends, my split ends, my hair breaking, whether it's to help grow my hair, whatever it is, I really wanted to use the power of these healing essential oil blends and bring it into like 3 different types of oils that I can use to whatever it is that I'm facing. One of the biggest issues that we heard was people want longer, stronger, thicker hair. So that's how the strength oil came along. It has flaxseed, lavender, moringa, which are amazing ingredients known for making your hair longer and stronger. And 91% of people agree that this strength oil helped repair their hair. I've been using the strength oil to really help strengthen my ends especially. It really does help with preventing my split ends, with keeping my hair from breaking. I also love using it on my scalp to really help rapid grow my hair. I really have noticed a difference in how much my hair is much more like thicker, it's healthier, it's more plump. My hair is thriving and it's thanks to the strength oil. The Detox oil's purpose is for healing, purifying, and detoxing. It's made with healing tea tree, lemon, tamanu, and 88% of people agree that this detox oil helped with scalp flakiness. My favorite way to use it is as a pre-poo on my scalp before I get in the shower. It's just so healing and soothing on my skin and hair. The Nourish oil, my inspiration for it actually came from skincare. So my dry skin loves carrot seed oil, and so I really wanted to bring this innovation into hair care. I wanted something super nourishing for my scalp, my hair, and I wanted it to be 100% natural essential oil blend. The grapefruit peel oil, orange peel oil, carrot seed oil, all are just very lightweight oils that quickly absorb into your skin, into your scalp, into your hair, and really deliver deep moisture. This oil is amazing to use everywhere. My favorite way to use it is actually on my face, directly out of the shower before I put on my makeup. I use it as a styler to detangle my hair and to nourish. 91% of people agreed that the Nourish oil made their scalp feel nourished, all right? And 94% of people agreed that the Nourish oil made their skin feel softer. I really hope that you enjoyed this box. I made it especially for y'all listening to everybody's popular hair, scalp concerns. And I really hope that y'all use these and love these as much as I do.